beautiful people. My name is Vivian Osarekoe. Today I'm going to talk about do not compare your children with other children. Or rather, do not compare your if you have children, do not compare each other. Every children are unique. They have their own different way of doing things. Do not compare. If it is A, do not compare A with B. Do not compare B with A. Why am I saying it, guys? Like a boy and a girl. You cannot compare a girl with a boy in their growing, in their maturity. Like my daughter, the age she was, and with my son that is in that age now, it's not the same. I see that my daughter was more mature when she was in that years. That is why I say, okay, let me share with us. Maybe it can help one or two people out there. My daughter, she was 3 years. She was already matured. Why am I saying? People will ask which kind of maturity? Maturity of going to toilet by herself, maturity of depending on herself, maturity of doing some things on her own. While I was carrying the junior brother, while I was holding the junior brother as a baby. She depend on herself, doing many things. She can dress up, she can do many things. Even in her school, her teacher testified that she's mature. She's kind of living her life independent. She don't want to depend. Going to toilet in school was not a problem. I was not changing pamper. The teacher was not changing her pampers. She was already free at 3 years. Guess what? On my son, a younger brother, it was not the same. My son always depend on me. Always everything he needs me to be there. Which for my daughter was not so. You see that many parents, they will be comparing at that position is for you to be helping that child to be matured, helping that child to grow, to depend on himself by teaching him to do the right thing, guys. Not to compare. Look at your sister. In Africa, it happened when I was growing up. That's why I'm using it. I am not comparing my children. I'm not comparing them. Why I'm not comparing them? They all are unique in their own way, in their own world. The child that is not doing well today does not mean in the future he will not do well. The child that is doing well now does not mean that the one that is not doing well is a failure. No, they all have their own unique way, guys. So why am I saying that, guys? I'm saying it because a lot of us out there always compare our children with another children. Guess what happened one day in our church? There is a sister and she delivered at premature. Everybody knows the challenges of sometimes premature children. It takes the grace for them to grow and smart. Guess what that sister said to her baby when the baby is not eating all the time? And Holy Spirit put a word in my mouth to tell that sister that moment. So when another sister was feeding her child and she feed somehow and say, look at your mate. That thing touches me. I wasn't the child mother. The thing touches me. Why? All children are unique. They are wonderfully made in the sight of God. Do not limit them because they are not doing what you want them to do, guys. So after the lady that was feeding her child walk away from that where we were sitting down, I call her. I say, sister, all children are unique. The only way you can help your child is to encourage her. Is to encourage her, not to compare her. And that day when I speak to her, I don't even know how the word come to me, guys. The Holy Spirit just put that word in my mouth. Believe me, guys. At a certain point of time, people are there to help you out. You will not know. Holy Spirit is using them. I just encourage that sister. I said the only way you can encourage your child is to encourage, is the only way is to encourage her, not to compare her. she's unique on her whole world, on her whole world, on her whole corner of her whole things, of doing her whole thing. She's unique, guys. Your children are unique. They are wonderfully made. They are wonderfully made. I'm not saying we are not doing it. I'm here for an advice and opinion. It's my own opinion. Do not compare your child with any other children, or compare your children at home. Look at, maybe there's some children, they do wet bed in the night. I didn't witness it for my daughter. She get up and wake up and go. My son also is not wetting bed. My son even do better than my daughter now. You see that? She do better than my daughter. My daughter, I have to take her. Do you know my son can wake up and go to toilet by himself? He's just 3 years. He do it better than my daughter. You see, everybody is unique. They all have their strengths. Don't limit them because what you expect them to do, they are not doing it, guys. Don't limit them. Just leave them. Let them be. Let them be in their own war and rule their war. Also, always respect their no. Like my daughter, I'm using my whole family because it is what I experienced. I'm sharing. I believe upcoming mom can learn from it. Like my daughter, she's somebody, she don't like something. She's just like Angel. She don't like touching something that will irritate her. Like my daughter, I have a new baby boy now. He's 7 months by the grace of God. When I finish changing the diaper, I will give to my my daughter. Please go and throw it away. At a time, she was not saying, I pay attention. Also pay attention to their action. Pay attention in everything they are doing around you. As a mother, be wise enough to pay attention. At the beginning, when I give the diaper, I say, please go and help me to throw it. He will just take tissue and hold it and throw it. One day, I see that she was doing, as she was repeating it. One day, I asked her, do you like to throw this pamper from mommy? She said, no. No, I don't like to throw. I say, is it the reason why you are using tissue? Yes, because I don't want to say no to you. I say, no, you are free to say no, my darling. It's your life. When you don't want to do this thing for mommy, just boldly say it. Lecture your children. Do not compare them. Here he come, my son of 3 years. When I finish with that part, I'll say, please help me to throw it. He will just take it. You see, their strength is different, guys. You see that? He will just take it without even thinking of. He will just take it and throw it. But my daughter, no. She will take tissue and take it and throw it. I experienced that, and I give, and I speak to her. We have a conversation. Be friendly. You remember, in this my channel is to befriend your daughter, is to befriend your children. How are you going to befriend them? Is to bring yourself to their level. She opened up and said, no, I don't like to throw diaper. I say, okay. Ever since, I don't send her. Because she don't like to throw somebody diaper. You see that her strength is she's not good in that area. You see, my son, he has a strength. He has a great personality. Recognize their personality. Pay attention to their personality. My son will just go and throw it and wash hand, and everything is okay because I taught them how to wash their hand anytime they touch something that is not clean. You see that, guys? That is what I'm telling us today. I all just, in as much I'm coming here to come and teach about how you have to have relationship with your children. Always pay attention to their personality. Everybody have their personality. I have my personality. My personality might not be your personality. I'm saying it now. This is what I'm using and it's helping me. It does not mean I'm I'm just forcing you or bringing you that you are not good enough. Every mother also are unique. That we have parents, our age parents. Every mother also are unique, guys. So that is why I'm urging us today to pay attention to their strength, pay attention to their weakness. In their weakness, don't use it against them. Just give advice. Just say, I know you can do it, guy. I know you can do it, girl. I know you can do it, boy. So, guys, I just want to give this quick chat for us, for some of us who are subscribing already. I say, may God bless you all. You will never lack the hand that you are using to subscribe. God will bless you and you will excel. You have peace in your family. For upcoming mom, please feel free to subscribe. For single lady and boys, feel free to subscribe, because there is thing that is coming here. It will help you in your youth. While waiting upon the Lord, it will help you, guys. So, guys, I leave you guys now. I just want to give this quick talk to us this afternoon that we should pay attention to our children. We should not compare our children with any other children. Rather, if we have children in our home who are doing well, the one that is not doing well, we are using to compare. We should not compare. Leave them, let them be in their war. And you will see they will do wonder when they grow up. Comparing them can make them to become, say, I don't know what to do now. Do you know that everyone that face discipline in the school, when your teacher is asking, like me, I face discipline in school. When your teacher is asking your neighbor, and your neighbor get it, maybe ask you another question you didn't, he kill you. The next time he's going to come, you will be doing like this, chivalry. I don't know if I will get it now. If I don't get it now. That is what we are doing to our children. We are making them to have that fear. Not to respect us, but just to fear us, guys. Just to have the fear, just to be scary. It's immediately they see us, they will begin to do like this. Let your children to come to you. Be free with your children, guys. So I leave you on. I want to continue another topic again. So if you don't mind, if you guys leave me now, I will be talking. So I leave you now, guys. See you on my next video. May God bless you. As you watch, you will not lack. As you share, you will not lack. As you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Victory to victory.